Think about it. Here's another one. What is the value of J? What is the value of K? And what is the value of L? Well, we see we have a number line. It's definitely not vertical or horizontal. It's diagonal. It's going from 3 to 0. And between the numbers 0 and 3, including 3, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines. So the first thing I want to do would be to find my whole number. Where is going to be 1 and 2 before I get to 3? So there's 9 lines between 0 and 3. I want to start off by doing 9 divided by 3, and that gives me an answer of 3. So every 3 lines is going to be a whole number. So 1, 2, 3. This should be number 1. 1, 2, 3. That should be number 2. Then 1, 2, 3. We see the number 3 over there. So now we want to figure out clearly there are lines between 0 and 1. That's going to break each tick mark between 0 and 1 is going to be a fraction. So including 1, there is 1, 2, 3 lines. That means that 1 whole is also equivalent to 3 thirds. So if 0 is equivalent to 0 thirds, then J would be 1 third. The next line would be 2 thirds. 1 whole is equal to 3 thirds. K is 4 thirds, or 1 and 1 third. The next line is 5 thirds. 2 is equivalent to 6 thirds. After that, we have 7 thirds, or 2 and 1 third. L would be 8 thirds, or 2 and 2 thirds. And then 3 is equal to 9 thirds. So the first question, what is the value of J? J is 1 third. The next question, what is the value of K? So we found K on the number line. We know K is 4 thirds, or 1 and 1 third. And then the next question, what is the value of L? On the number line, we know that L is 8 thirds, or 2 and 2 thirds.